down. Could have seen it in your eyes. How about you coming closer? We can do nothing. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Do it to know. Run your fingers down me slow.
It's my bag, this bag, and I have folded a bag. So I have just kept here. I'm waiting my friends and all classmates. Here we will go, especially Manali. It is the longest platform. I can't show you all those together. Okay, as you can see, here is my classmate. ये है MBA सेकेंड ईयर के, जो हम लोग के कॉलेज का पूरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अधिकतर इनका है। और आप बता सकते हैं हम लोग टूर में आए हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मैं उत्कर्ष श्रीवास्तव, MBA सेकेंड ईयर KIPM का। और ये हमारे जूनियर की क्या CR है, CR साहिबा।
अभी हम लोग टूर में आए हैं, बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं। सभी लोग खाना खाए, लंच टाइम।
मुझे सीट नहीं मिला।
भाई मेरे पास
इसके पास है, पूरा जगह है। बोल रहा है
जाके बैठा ना।
देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हम लोग ट्रेन पे बैठे हैं। क्या क्या चीजें आ रही हैं, अभी चेंज होते होते हम लोग खा रहे हैं। ये सारी मेरी क्लासमेट्स हैं और जो कि लंच ये लोग लाए हैं। तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एक एक लोगों का उठा उठा के सब सारी वेराइटी
कि वो हमसे कुछ खड़ा खड़ा रहता मेरे सामने वाली मैं ये चांद सराशन
से बोलो जय माता दी।
Welcome to Ambala Camp.
So as you can see, we have reached in Ambala Camp.
दीक्षा, दीपिका, दीपिका, भरत, विशु।
Here they are giving our attendance. Actually, it's my first time I'm going out of station with college friends. I rarely visit somewhere, and here we have holded a trolley bag together. All we have are 2 bags in our hand because we need to have visit for 5 days for a trip over there. So yeah, we will visit Chandigarh and shopping, Manali. Let's see. Finally, we reached in hotel, and here available breakfast. Actually, so many variety available. I didn't show it properly. And here is our senior in our college senior. And here my friends share. And here some classmates also having that breakfast. We had eggs, cheese, all those variety available, whatever we normally eat in any marriage functions, that kind of facility available we had properly. And of course all those breakfast lunch we did together here. I'm going to show this place right now. Of 10 member, like 10 girls they are came here. Of course we will change dress, we will fresh here. It is a bed sheet in this hotel. Okay, may I know, Anushika, how much cost did you take for spending this hair color?
2000
Okay, 2000. As
for
you can
2
see,
year.
okay, for 2 hours. Sorry, 2
years.
If you wanted to remain that continuously, you wanted to hair like this, it's 2000 we have to pay for coloring like this. Actually, right now it is quite simple, but yeah, when she's open, it looks quite amazing. It's really amazing when you see her as a open hair.
Really?
Okay, of course, I like this a lot. So, and some girls, they went for a changing dress, and I will also go inside that. I didn't show complete hotel here, but a bit small thing. 4 stars I swear hotel. In this place we had seen such amazing facilities. As you can see here, faculties there with us. Now we are ready to go induction visit in college dress.
मुकद्दर वो खो के निकला हूँ, मिल गया तो मुकद्दर वो खो के निकला हूँ, मैं एक लम्हा हूँ, हर बार रो के निकला हूँ, खो के निकला हूँ, राहे दुनिया में कोई दुश्वारी नहीं, राहे दुनिया में कोई दुश्वारी नहीं, मैं तो तेरी जुल्फी से हो के निकला हूँ। आइए सर, आइए। हो चकाचक पान चबाए, ऐसा झटका लगे पुनर्जन्म हो जाए, ओ खाई के पान तो छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, और पिया रे से भीगे चुनर वाली रंग।
We are enjoying here inside the bus. We had a wonderful fun together here with friends. I really didn't expect I can enjoy that much today. Those who love singing, they have sung together. Who loved dancing, they have danced here. And of course, that was a wonderful time. We had fun together.
In my what you think? What you think? You're in my what you think? What you think? You're in my you left it off and clear. Let me in now, don't be sad.
Finally, we reached the induction visit with the Sulan Himachal Pradesh campus industry. As you can see here, we have wore a mask and we have to maintain our discipline. And you are not allowed to shoot video inside that industry. That's why I'm shooting from outside only.
How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be taking over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me.
After completing our entire induction visit, we have returned back in our hotel and now we are having a lunch together. We truly had wonderful fun throughout the bus journey. We were lost in the fun activities like Antakshari, dance and many more. I wish the journey to had no destination.
You're in my what you think? What you think? You're in my you left it off and clear. Let me in now, don't be sad.
यहाँ पे हम लोग अभी जस्ट एंट्री और ये देख सकते हैं, ये हमारा रूम है जो सिर्फ आज के लिए है. थके थके आए हैं. यहाँ पे ठंडी नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ सब बंद है. ठीक है, अब देखिए कैसे हम लोग को ट्रॉली कहाँ रखना है, वो एडजस्टमेंट रखना है. वैसे ये रूम बड़ा अच्छा है, आप देख सकते हैं. 4 लोगों के लिए है.
छोटा सा चेयर भी
अमरदीप,
है।
कैसा महसूस हो रहा है तुम्हें?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ का व्यू भी बहुत अच्छा है।
ये है अनुशिका और हम चारों लोग यहाँ पे आए और ये भी अपने अपने पेरेंट्स को बता रहे हैं, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स जो भी है।
नीलू है
वीडियो कॉल में। और ये आप देख सकते हैं पहाड़ी एरिया।
वहीं जाना रोहतांग।
Now we are ready to go, especially Solang Valley, and here some of the girls also, they are just about to ready, and I will try to shoot everything in short. Okay, let's see. Here we need to select our Manali dress. Like in Solang Valley, we have to wear a snowsuit or shoes, जो 250 rupees का होता है, specially वहाँ पहनने के लिए होता है.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You can enjoy participating in 4 activities by paying an amount of 1000 rupees only. ये बर्फ एरिया है, पूरा बर्फ है और यहाँ पे मैं चढ़ भी नहीं पा रही थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बर्फ.
Wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
It will take 1000 rupees per individual to participate in 4 activities.
पकड़ ले
डर लग रहा है, अब इनको डर लग रहा है.
After walking a lot in this place, we had got extremely thirsty. So finally we have decided to purchase this water.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes.
और चलेंगे हिडिंबा मंदिर, ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद जब उतरेंगे तो मॉल रोड पे छोड़ देंगे, जितना घूमना होगा जहाँ जो घूमेगा, और 7 बजे वापस सब लोग बस में, ठीक है.
I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. When you think about me so. Cause you're in love. What you think? What you think? What you think?
हाय मुस्कान.
Open could be let me in now, don't be sad. We can be here, same story. With dreams and reality collide.
Finally we have got a chance to enjoy and dance together with all my sweet friends in this nightclub bar.
What you think? What you think?
इस समय हम लोग लखनऊ स्टेशन पे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ का माहौल, यहाँ के आइटम के पूरे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं.
I have a strong belief that you must have enjoyed each and every moment of this trip. I tried my best to make this excursion a memorable and exciting one.
And on